Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a look at the DAX Open this morning. We love to trade this morning move. We'll dive into the swing trading charts soon and look at some of the markets setting up. But firstly, this open on the 8 a.m. candlestick. We get the Pro Trading System red PTS sell signal. Lovely move down this morning. Being Monday morning, some people, with Independence Day in the US, some people thinking, well, maybe there's no volume today. But we get this very nice 60-point profit on the German DAX. The DAX gives you so many opportunities, but the opportunities come in that window of opportunity, which is like this 8 a.m. start all the way to about 9:30. So you could focus your trading in those early morning hours. Early morning, 8 a.m. is not that early, but you can look at that 8 a.m. candlestick, look for those red PTSs. Bias was already to the short side. We'd already started rolling over. Now we got a bounce from this support area right here. Now we got a trend line running up the lows. We've got one here, two, and the third one. Okay, so that move into the trend line from afar, we often see a nice bounce. Now, if you want to play those trades, that's 540 all the way up to nearly 640. Well, just shy of 640, that's 15,620. So we're talking an 80-point bounce off of that trend line. Very nice opportunities to make your day's money in the morning. You've got to be making sure that you're looking at those support and resistance areas, guys. But a very nice move today on the red side. Now let's take a look at some swing trades. For me, it's all about the yen pairs, shorting yen pairs. So if let's dive into the yens. If I look at euro yen, this feels like it's starting to roll back over here, which is quite nice. I'm looking for more downside on euro yen. If you look at the pound Japanese yen, I'm liking this one as well. We've actually got a bit of there's a trend line coming up the highs. We've got a bit of a symmetrical triangle here. So I'm watching for a volatility move in the pound Japanese yen. With the red PTS, it's only red short side trades for the moment. So I'm looking for a breakdown. If we can break down, we can get down to 15.30. So looking for maybe pound weakness, and now with the yen strengthening, I'm looking for pound Japanese yen to the downside. Aussie yen. Yeah, Aussie yen also rotating and trying to push lower as well. Okay, so for me, guys, it's the yen pairs this week. And is that saying something about the stock market with the yen strengthening? We shall see. At the moment, the stock markets are very solid and pushing nicely higher. So yen pairs, keep your eye on those. Take care. Bye-bye now.